I have no clue what I'm doing. This is my second time making steak. I don't even know if the marinade is good. Junior's gonna be my guinea pig. Okay, I left it for 4 minutes. I'm about to flip it over. This isn't hot, and to be honest, I don't know if it should be hot. I think I should know, but I will research it. So there we go. Oh, that looks nice. I don't know about this, but that looks nice. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's still not hot. I really should know if that gets hot. So you put these down. That's supposed to open, and then if you go like that, it closes them. Okay. So. There you go. If I had the double-sided one, then I could do veggies on that side and meat on this side, but I'll let you guys know if Junior likes it. I'm heating up the bread. We're not heating it up, toasting it. I was just scared it was gonna flatten it out, but